Okay, so the next thing this video is going to show us is if you have a digital piano or electronic keyboard of some sort with a USB or some sort of MIDI connection. A USB usually means that you plug it into your computer. It can hopefully show up here and you can select the keyboard that you want. MIDI input, that's going to allow you to type in notes. MIDI output means either you'll use none, meaning that it'll play the sounds that are part of flat.io, or you can make it actually trigger the sounds on your actual piano or keyboard. So I'll set it, whoops, I don't want that, I want this. But you can just keep it on none if you want. All right, so then down here, it's pretty simple. You make sure you're on the note that you want. Okay, whoops. And you can use your arrows or whatever. And that's where I'm going to start typing in stuff. So I'm going to choose some eighth notes, and I'm just going to reach over to my piano and start typing in stuff. Now it's only going to type in the rhythms that are part of this. It's not recording me like a performance. It's just, I have it set for eighth notes and I'm typing in the eighth notes. But I could very easily add a big chord at the end there if I wanted to. Okay, and that's it. You just got to switch these over. There's a record function. It's in beta and it's not, I don't think, very good yet. So I'm not digging it. You can try it if you want, but I'm not really interested in it. Okay. All right. So that's if you have an electronic piano or electric keyboard with a USB that can connect to your computer. There you go.